First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 18 for grade 1 mathematics. Guys, in the last class, we started topic comparing numbers. So, quick revision what we have learned so far in that topic, and then we will continue from where we left, right? So, on page number 22, there was a heading comparing number. There are 4 children, there are 4 apples. Okay, so you count the number of children, they were 4, and you count the number of apples, they were also 4. So because they both were 4, so you can say that the number of children is the same as the number of apples. Okay, or you can also say that number of children is equal to the number of apples. So we learned here, guys, whenever we have the same number of objects, so we can compare them by saying that the number of object this object and number of that object is same. Okay, or we can also say that they both object are equal to each other, right? Whatever the object or things are we are talking about, if we are comparing apple and banana, if we have 4 apple and 4 bananas, so we can say the number of banana is same as number of apple, and the number of banana is equal to the number of apple. If we are comparing pencils, right, so we can say I have 3 pencils, and my friend has 3 pencils, so the number of pencils is the same as I have the same number of pencils as my friend. Or I can also say that my friend and I have equal number of pencils. Okay, so this is what we learned in on page number 22. On page number 23, we learned about the concept of more and fewer. So guys, when the number of pencils are same, so we say they are equal, they are same as. But when the number of pencils are greater, let's suppose I have 5 pencils. I have 5 pencils and my friend have only 3 pencils. So now I have more pencils. 5 is bigger than 3. 5 is bigger than 3. I have more pencils. So I can say that I have more pencils than my friend, because I have 5 pencils and he only has 3 pencils. And 5 is greater than 3. So I can say that I have more pencils than my friend. Right, guys? So this is, I'm revising the yesterday concept, right? So 5 is greater than 3. So I can say 5, I have 5 pencils and my friend has 3 pencils. So I have more pencils than my friend. I also explained you yesterday about this sign. This is the greater than sign and this is the less than sign. How you will find out which sign is greater than and which sign is less than? The easy way is, guys, that its mouth should be open. This one, it should be open in front of bigger number. Like 5 is bigger here. That's why I opened the mouth of 5. I opened the sign of the mouth of this sign in front of 5, as 5 is bigger number. So 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. So I can say that I have more pencil than my friend. Let's look at the book example, guys. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 cars. Okay. So there are 8 cars. So I'm going to write there are 8 cars. And how many toy animals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 toy animals. Okay. There are 5 toy animals. So 8 is greater than 5. 8 and 5 are not equal. 8 is greater than 5. So you can say that, sir, the number of toy cars are more than the number of toy animals. Like here, there are more toy cars than the toy animals because 8 is greater than 5. Or you can also say that because, sir, 5 is less than 8. This thing you can also say that 5 is less than 8. So there are fewer toy animals than toy cars. Toy cars are less. Toy animals are less than toy cars. So you can say that there are fewer toy animals than toy cars because they are only 5 and toy cars are 8. This is what we learned yesterday. We also practiced some sheets, guys, where you identified, you counted the number of balls and you checked there were 3, there were 5. So you say, sir, group A is having less or fewer sugar balls and group B was having more fewer balls. So from these practice sheet, we got the concept of more and fewer. So guys, I just revised the yesterday concept, what we have learned so far yesterday. So up to here, any problem? Any one of you?
No. No.
That's very good.
No. No.
That's very good. All right. So let's start further, guys. Now, how do you find a number that a number is greater than or less than with the help of number track? Look, guys, this is the number track. Okay, this is the number track. All right. Now, if I ask you, which number is greater, 82 or 77? With the help of number track, tell me which number is greater. So guys, I tell you one thing, that in the number track, you will find out any one number. Let's suppose I take 77. The number which will come after 77, the numbers which will come after 77, these all number will be greater. Like 78, 78 is greater than 77. 79 is also greater than 77. 80 is also greater than 77. 81, 82, and so on. Whatever the number comes after 77, these all numbers are greater than 77. So if you want to check 82 is greater than 77 or less than 77, check in the number track whether 82 comes after 77 or before 77 in the number track. So this is 77 and this is 82. Yes, guys, 82 comes after 77 or before 77?
Eighty-two.
No. Listen my question first. I am asking question, 82 comes after 77 in the number track or before 77 in the number track? Only you have to answer. 82 comes after 77 or before 77?
After.
Very good. 82 comes after 77. So you will say, sir, 82 is greater than 77. So the numbers, guys, which come after 77 on the number track, they are greater than 77, as I told you. And the number which come before 77 on the number track, they all are smaller. Like 76 is smaller than 77. 75 is also smaller than 77. 74, 73, 72, and so on. These all numbers are smaller than 77. So if you want to check, let's suppose if I ask you, tell me whether 71 or 77, which is a smaller one? If I ask you 71 is smaller or 77 is smaller, so what you will do, guys, you will check the number track. So you will find the 71 first and then 77. So 71 come before 77. 71 come before 77 on the number track. So you will say, sir, 71 is smaller than 77. Clear, guys?
Yes. Yes.
That's very good. Let's me check the chat box. Okay, that's very good. I received the answers, but I'm going to make your chat private, guys. All right. Let's move to the next page, guys. Page number 24. So here the same thing, right? 82 comes after 77 on the number track, so 82 is greater. And to show the greater than sign, guys, you should open the mouth of this sign in front of bigger number. This is you have to remember, guys. These are the two signs. These two signs we use to show inequality. When some things are not equal, so one thing would be greater and one thing would be smaller, right? To show the inequality, we use two signs, greater than or less than. This is I already told you, right? How to remember that which sign is greater and which sign is smaller. So always remember that the broader end of this sign always faces the greater number. The broader end, or I can say the mouth of this sign is always face the greater number. And I give the example of the crocodile mouth. Like crocodile mouth always open a big mouth to eat something. So it is bigger. Okay, it will always open in front of bigger number. Let's suppose if I write here two numbers, 1 or 2. So 2 is bigger than 1. So I will open the mouth of this sign in front of 2. Let's suppose I give you one more example. I write here 3 and 2. So 3 is bigger than 2. That's why I will open the mouth of this sign in front of 3. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If anything is not clear to you, you can send a message in the chat box, or I can open your mic and I can take your question and I will answer you. So guys, you know about the greater than or less than. The greater than sign always open in front of bigger number, and the less than sign, its end should be in front of a smaller number. This is less than sign. Okay. So which number is smaller, 76 or 77? So again, guys, on the number track, you can look here. So where is 76? This is 76. So 76 comes before 77. Before 77, that's why 76 is smaller. Right? So 76 is smaller than 77, or 76 is less than 77. How to represent? By using less than sign. Look, its face is in front of bigger number, greater number. 77 is bigger and 76 is smaller. That's why it's end in front of smaller. Now what you have to do, guys, we come to the practice zone. Question number 1. Write the missing number on the truck by counting backwards. What you have to do, guys? You have to count backwards. You have to count backwards. Okay. So I will start counting back from 78. So when I count back from 78, so I will check the number which come before 78. So the number which come before 78, that is
77. 77.
77. 77. That's very good. Guys, you all need to participate. The number which comes before 78, that is 77. That's very good. That's already written here. I'm just counting back. So you also have to count back with me. Now, the number which come before 77, that is the number which come before 77, that is 76. That's very good. Now you can look that arrow. From here, we are coming down and we will move in that direction. Okay. So 76. Now the number which come before 76, that is, yes guys, the number which come before 76, that is
5. 25.
very good, very good, very good. Now what I need to write here, that you will tell me, guys, what should I write here? The number which come before 75, I should write here. So answer me in the chat box, what should I write here? Yes, guys, answer me in the chat box, what should I write here? Yusuf, very good. Yusuf, Vesmi, very good. Iyad, very good. Yusuf Al Qadi, very good. Abdul Rahman Muhammad Hamdi, Anas Ayman, Taha Mustafa, Hamza Muhammad, Muhammad Zain, Muhyiddin Ibrahim, Abdullah Fahad, Yazan, very good. Anas Ayman, very good. Anas Ayman Ilayan. Abdullah Mustafa, very good. Farisuddin, very good. Rafi Abu Bakr, why 66? I am asking the number which come before 75. Okay. Basam Hindi, no, it's not 71. Ghazi Ali, I am asking the number which come before 75. Before 75. Okay. Very good, Saud. Very good, Adam. Very good, Fahad. Very good, Asam Muhammad. Faisal Al Habib. He's saying 66. Let's take Faisal with me. Faisal Al Habib. Where is he? Faisal. Please open your mic. Faisal, can you hear me? Faisal Al Habib. Faisal Al Habib.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Faisal,
Yes,
please tell me what the number come before 75. What should I write here?
Yes, hello.
Yes, I'm hearing you. After here, what should I write here? What number comes before 75? Faisal, what number come before 75?
Seven.
What?
74.
74. That's very good. That's very good. So guys, we will write here 74. 74. 74. That's very good. Guys, 74 is the correct answer.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So write 74 here, guys. Write 74. The answer is 74 here.
Yeah.
74. Now, before 74, what comes? Before 74. Before 74, guys, what comes before 74? What comes before 74? Taha Mustafa, very good. Iyad, very good. Yusuf, very good. Abdullah Mustafa, very good. Abdullah Fahad, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Anas Ayman, very good. Abdul Rahman Muhammad Hamdi, very good. Abdullah Salih, very good. Faris, Yazan, Muhyiddin Ibrahim, Ghazi Ali, Yusuf Al Qadi, Adam, Saud, very good. Muhammad Zain, Asir Muhammad, Ahmad Kamal, very good. Abdullah Salih, very good. So guys, tell me what should I write here? What comes before 74?
73.
70. Very good. 73. So we will write here 73. So write here, please, 73. 73. Write 73. Then before 73, what comes? 72. And what should you write here? Before 72, guys. Before 72, what comes? Before 72. Very good. Yusuf Wasmi, Yazan, Abdul Rahman Muhammad Hamdi, Muhammad Zain, Abdullah Mustafa, Iyad, Yusuf Al Qadi, Abdullah Fahad, Taha Mustafa, Ghazi Ali, Saud. Ghazi Ali, very good. Rafi Abu Bakr, no, 73 is not the answer. I am asking the number which is before 72, not after, before 72. Okay, Ghazi Ali, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Mazain, very good. Zaid Kamran Rashid, very good. Farisuddin, very good. Abdul Basit, very good. Ahmad Kamal, very good. Abdullah Al Salhi, very good. Adam Al Sayyed, very good. Anas Ayman, very good. Muhyiddin Ibrahim, very good. Rafi Abubakar, very good. All right, guys. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. What should I write here?
71.
71.
71.
Very good. It is 71. I should write 71 here. So write, guys, 71. The answer here is 71. Okay, guys. Now you can see here, from here we are going down. Okay. So what comes before 71, we will write here. What comes before 71, we will write here. Okay. So what comes before 71, guys? Izan, very good. Abdul Rahman, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Ayad, very good. Asa Muhammad, very good. Yusuf, very good. Faisal Labi, very good. All right, guys, I'm going to take one of the student now. And then I will ask. Yusuf Wasmi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What should I write here?
70.
70. That's very good. So I'm going to write here, guys, 70. We will write here 70. Yes, guys, 70 is the correct answer.
Yes. 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 Yes.
That's very good, guys. So we will write here 70. Now we have to write 70. We have to write here. So guys, before 70, what comes? We will write here. Before 70, what comes? We will write here. So now I'm not going to take answers in the chat box because you know the pattern. So I'm going to take one student, and that is Anas Ayman Shahada. Anas Ayman.
Yes, sir.
What should I write here? Here.
69.
69. Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay, that's very good. Guys, Anas Ayman is saying 69. Is it correct answer?
Yes, 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 yes.
That's very good. So write 69 here, please. Write 69. 69. This is 69. Now, guys, before 69, 68. And before 68, 67. Before 67, 66. Before 66, 65. Look, we are coming down from here. And before 65, 64. Now we need to write here. What will come here? Before 64. Okay. And for that, I am going to take one student. Before 64. And that is Asan Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Asar. What should we write here?
63.
63. Why 63? Why not 65?
Because
Yes.
it is after 62.
Because we are counting back. We are counting back inwards. And it is already written 65, right? Thank you. Yes, guys, he's saying 63. Is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. I received the answers in the chat box as well. Very good answers by all of you guys. So before 64, it is 63. So I will write 63. This is 63, guys. So now we'll check counting. This is, guys, I'm simply checking counting whether it is correct or not. From 61, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, then 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Now, two blanks are left, guys. So what should we write here? Answer me in the chat box, guys. What should we write here? Very good, Yusuf Wasmi, very good. Anas Ayman, very good. Iyad, very good. Abdul Rahman Muhammad Hamdi, very good. Ahmad Mazin, very good. Taha Mustafa, Yazan, Hamza Muhammad, very good. Faisal Alavi, very good. Ahmad Kamal, Yusuf Al Qadi, Abdullah Fahad, Muhammad Zain, Faris, Basam, Asir Muhammad, Adam Al Sayyed, very good. Ibrahim Khalil, very good. And I will take one student, guys, and that is Hamza Muhammad. Hamza Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza Muhammad. What should we write here?
79.
79. That's very good. Thank you. Yes, guys, 79 is the correct answer.
Correct answer?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Exactly 79 is correct answer. So we will write here 79. So write 79 here, guys. And then what should you write here? What should you write here, guys? 79, and then I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys.
Yes. 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 Yes.
We will write here 80. So write 80 here, guys. It is 80. Right, 80. So guys, again, you will check now the counting. This is 61, 62, and then 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. All clear, guys, here?
Yes.
That's very good, guys. That's very good. Now come to the question number 1, guys. This is the question. In this question, what's going on? What number is 1 more than 68? What number is 1 more than 68? So guys, how you will find out what number is 1 more than 68? You will just check what number comes after 68. What number comes after 68? What number is 1 more than 68? In order to find out that, just check out in the counting in the number track what number comes after 68. So guys, what number comes after 68? 69. The answer is 69. The answer is 69. The number which come after 68 is 69. Okay. The number which come after 68 is 69. So in order to find out what number is 1 more than 68, you will check what number come after 68. Okay. So this is 68 and this is 69. So what you have to do, guys, color the square with that number red. So you have to color this box with red. Okay. You will do it by yourself. I will just tell you the number. you will have to color 69 with red one. Now for B, what number is 1 less than 79? What number is 1 less than 79? First, guys, I need to receive answers from you. Can you tell me, guys, what number is 1 less than 79? Correct answers from Yusuf and Abdulrahman Hamdi, Anas Ayman, and Abdullah Fahad, Zaid Kamran Rashid, Abdullah Yazan, Ahmad Kamal, Muhyiddin Ibrahim, Hamza, Saud, Adam Al Sayyed, Abdullah Al Sahi, Yusuf. Very good. Guys, in order to find out the number 1 less, you will do opposite. In order to find out more, you were checking after. Now, you have to find out what number is 1 less than 79. So go and check what number is before. What number is before 79? What number is before 79? You have to find out what number is 1 less than 79. So just with the help of number track or with the help of counting, just check what number comes before 79. Yes, guys, what comes before 79?
78.
Very good. The answer is 78. So you will say, sir, the number which comes before 79, that is 78. All right. So what you have to do, guys, color the square with the number blue. Where is 78? This is 78, right? So this one you have to do the color, you have to color it with blue. Now we will go for C. What number is 2 more than 64? Look, guys, in the question number A, the question was asking 1 more than 68. So you were looking, you were just checking the number after 68. But now you have to check the number which is 2 more than 64. So in the number track, you will check what comes after 64. After 64, it is 65. And then it is 66. Right? So you have to find out the number which is 2 more than 64. So for that, you will check the number, what number comes after 65 and then 66. So you will count 2 after 64. In order to find out 2 more than 64, you will count 2 after 64. So after 64, this is 65 and this is 66. So the number which is 2 more than 64 is 66. The number which is 2 more than 64 is 66. Or you can count from here, guys, in the number track. This is the truck. From here, you can also look. This is 64. After count 2 after 64. So 1 and 2. So the answer is 66. You count from in this truck where you write the counting back numbers. So this is the number 65 and 66. So the number which is 2 more than 64 is 66. Do you understand, guys?
Yes. Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. So the number which which is 2 more than 64, that is 660. That is 66. How do you know, guys? You check out where is 64. This is 64, right? And because you are finding the 2 more, so 1 and 2, you will count up to 2. You will not just check just next number. You will count 2 after 64. If the question asks you what is 3 more than 64, then you will count 3 after 64. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 more than 64 is 67. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. what you have to do, guys, you have to write that. What is the answer here? The 2. What is 2 more than 64? That is 66. And you have to color the square with that number yellow. Now, guys, tell me what is the number 2 more than 72. This is you have to tell me, guys. What number is 2 more than 72? Answer me in the chat box, please. What number is 2 more than 72? This is from the question, guys. What number is 2 more than 72? Answer me in the chat box. Taha Mustafa, very good. Faris, very good. Zaid Kamran, very good. Abdul Rahman Muhammad Hamdi, very good. What number is 2 more than 74? 72. Ibrahim Khalil, very good. No. Fahad. Yazan, very good. Adam Sayyed, no. Iyad, very good. Hassan Muhammad, no. Abdullah Salhi. Look, they are asking you the number which is 2 more than 72. Some students are telling me the answer 70. Why 70? You have to move forward because you are looking the number which is more. So you will move forward. Okay, you will not move backward. You have to move forward in order to find out the number which is 2 more than 72. Where is 72? This is 72. Look, this is 72. And the number which is 2 more than 72. So go forward. After 72, what comes? 173 and then 74. So the answer is 74. The number which is 2 more than 72 is 74. Clear, guys? Very good. Let's suppose if I ask you the number, tell me the number which is 2 more than 76. I am asking you, let's suppose, tell me the number which is 2 more than 76. So you have to find out 2 more than 76. So you will move forward 2 times. After 76, 1 time 77 and 2 times 78. So 2 more than 76 is 78. 2 more than 76 is 78. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose you want to find out the number which is 2 more than 61. You have to find out the number which is 2 more than 61. So you will move forward. Again, you will not move backward. You will move forward because you have to find out more. 2 more than, so you will move forward 2 times. 1 time 62 and 2 times 63. So the answer is 63. 63 is 2 more than 61. Clear, guys?
Yes. 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 Yes.
That's very good.